For many small business owners, freelancers, and independent contractors, the thought of managing finances can be daunting. From tracking income and expenses to sending invoices and preparing for tax season, the sheer volume of tasks can feel overwhelming. This is precisely where accounting software like FreshBooks steps in. But what exactly is the function of FreshBooks? As an accounting software expert, I can tell you that FreshBooks is designed to simplify and streamline the financial aspects of running a business, particularly for those who aren't seasoned accountants. At its core, FreshBooks serves as a cloud-based accounting solution that aims to make financial management accessible and intuitive. Its primary function is to help small businesses get paid faster, track their spending efficiently, and maintain organized financial records. It's built with the non-accountant in mind, focusing on ease of use and automation to reduce the time and effort spent on bookkeeping. Let's break down the key functions of FreshBooks. 1. Invoicing, getting paid professionally and promptly. One of FreshBooks' most celebrated functions is its robust invoicing capability. This is where many businesses see immediate value. FreshBooks allows you to create professional invoices. You can design custom, professional-looking invoices with your brand's logo, colors, and fonts. This helps project a polished image to your clients. Send invoices with ease. Invoices can be sent directly from the FreshBooks platform via email, complete with an online payment link. This eliminates the need for manual attachments and makes it simple for clients to pay. Automate recurring invoices. For services or products that are billed repeatedly, FreshBooks lets you set up recurring invoices. This automation saves immense time and ensures you never forget to bill a regular client. Track invoice status. You can see when an invoice has been viewed by a client, when it's due, and when it's been paid. This transparency helps you follow up effectively. Send automated reminders. FreshBooks can automatically send polite payment reminders to clients whose invoices are overdue, reducing the awkwardness of chasing payments yourself. The goal here is simple: to make the invoicing process as smooth and fast as possible, which directly impacts your cash flow. 2. Expense tracking, keeping tabs on your outgoings. Understanding where your money goes is just as important as knowing where it comes from. FreshBooks excels at expense tracking. Capture receipts on the go. With its mobile app, you can snap photos of receipts with your smartphone. FreshBooks can often extract key information, categorizing the expense for you. Connect bank and credit card accounts. You can securely link your business bank accounts and credit cards to FreshBooks. This allows for automatic import of transactions, making it easy to categorize them and avoid manual data entry. Categorize expenses. Organize your expenses into relevant categories, e.g., office supplies, travel, marketing, for clear reporting and easier tax preparation. Mark expenses as billable. If you incur expenses on behalf of a client, FreshBooks allows you to easily add these to their invoice, ensuring you are reimbursed for all costs. Efficient expense tracking not only helps you understand your business's spending habits, but also ensures you capture all deductible expenses for tax purposes. 3. Time tracking, billing for your hours accurately. For service-based businesses, freelancers, and consultants who bill by the hour, accurate time tracking is critical. FreshBooks provides built-in timers. You can start a timer directly within FreshBooks as you work on a project or task. Manual time entry. For when you forget to start a timer, you can easily log time manually. Assign time to projects/clients. All track time can be linked to specific projects or clients, allowing for precise billing. Convert time to invoices. With a few clicks, you can convert your track time directly into a professional invoice for your client. This function ensures that every minute of your billable work is captured and accurately reflected on your invoices. 4. Financial reporting, gaining insights into your business health. While FreshBooks simplifies daily tasks, it also provides crucial insights into your business's financial performance through its reporting features. Profit and loss, P&L statements. See your business's revenue, expenses, and net profit over a specific period. This is essential for understanding profitability. Expense reports. Get a detailed breakdown of your spending by category. Tax summaries. FreshBooks helps compile the necessary information to simplify tax preparation, ensuring you have a clear picture of your income and deductible expenses. Sales reports. Understand your sales trends and identify your most profitable services or clients. Accounts receivable aging. See who owes you money and for how long, helping you manage collections. These reports transform raw data into actionable insights, empowering you to make informed business decisions. 5. Online payments, streamlining how you get paid. FreshBooks integrates seamlessly with various online payment gateways, like Stripe and PayPal, making it incredibly convenient for your clients to pay you. Accept credit card and ACH payments. Clients can pay directly through the invoice link, using their preferred method. Faster payment processing. Online payments significantly reduce the time it takes for you to receive funds, improving your cash flow. Automatic recording. Payments made through FreshBooks are automatically recorded and matched to the corresponding invoices, eliminating manual reconciliation. 6. Project management, managing work and costs. While not a full-fledged project management tool like some specialized software, FreshBooks includes features to help you manage your projects from a financial perspective. Create projects. Organize your work under specific projects, assign tasks, and set deadlines. Collaborate. You can invite team members and even clients to projects to share notes and files. Track project profitability. By linking expenses and time to projects, you can monitor how profitable each project is. Your financial sidekick. The overarching function of FreshBooks is to be the indispensable financial sidekick for small business owners, freelancers, and self-employed individuals. It automates tedious accounting tasks, reduces the likelihood of errors, saves valuable time, and provides clear financial insights. By focusing on invoicing, expense tracking, time tracking, and intuitive reporting, FreshBooks empowers users to confidently manage their money, get paid faster, and ultimately, focus more on doing the work they love, rather than getting bogged down in complex accounting procedures. It's truly designed to make accounting feel less like a chore and more like an effortless part of running a successful business.